My name is Lisa MacGregor. I am one of the senior lecturers in early years and primary education based here at the Fushill campus in Carlisle.
My name's Kerry. I'm studying primary and early years education at the University of Cumbria here on the Carlisle Fushill campus.
The primary and early years QTS programme really has two strands. It has one strand where students come in to university and they have lectures and seminars and they learn about the how, the why and what you teach. And then the other strand is when they go out into placement. They have 3 placements, beginning, developing, extending, and they go into school and they enact what they've learned in university.
The University of Cumbria really offered an excellent degree academically. It gave me my qualified teacher status so I could launch straight into my career afterwards.
Students develop a range of skills at our course here, from academic skills where they are learning themselves about academic writing and research, and also skills for teaching. So they're learning how to plan and how to teach and how to assess children. A trainee teacher or a teacher should have a range of different skills. One of the major ones is about communication.
The teaching staff at the university have been amazing.
Each student does 3 placements. You do a beginning placement, which is in your first year. You then do a developing placement, then you do an extending placement. At the University of Cumbria, we source your placements. We try to get them near where you live so that you have the opportunity to work in different types of schools, which is very good for your CV.
The thing that I enjoyed the most about my studies was actually getting to go out of university and to go on placement and be in schools in the local community and take what I'd been learning in lectures and all of this theory that I've been gaining and see how that actually applied in the real world. Placement has been an amazing experience, an amazing part of my time at the university.
I think that you should come to the University of Cumbria because we're a really close-knit community. Students get to know the students and the tutors really well. If you are considering becoming a teacher, come and join us here at an open day or email us at the University of Cumbria. We look forward to meeting you.